Hi, I'm Underbelly, and you suck at producing. 2 weeks ago, I put up a video discussing energy levels and how changing them up can help make your track less boring. Well, here's the thing. Clearly, it wasn't enough. I still had so much boring music to get through, and there was no amount of Adderall that could help. That's why in today's lesson, I'm going to show another technique to help make your tracks less boring. Let's get started. Okay, so check it. Let's say you're beating off on your lonesome, just another day as usual, and you end up creating the most amazing 4-bar loop in the history of music. Let's take a listen. Wowzers. And now, if you're anything like every single producer out there, this loop is probably more than enough to jump over into the arrangement phase. It doesn't matter if it's the exact same 5 seconds of music repeated for, say 10 minutes. It's fine. All you have to do is, just take pieces out every once in a while, maybe shift over these layers a bit to the right. And if you're really desperate, maybe add that annoying synth at the end. No possibility of ever getting bored. It's the most amazing 4 bars you've ever heard in your entire life. This was totally fine. I can never possibly get bored of this. Never. Oh, God. Oh. Okay, so here's the thing. Even the most amazing 4 or 8 bars looped over and over again is probably not enough to sustain the entirety of a full-length song. Okay, we're living in Derek's ADHD generation. There's just simply not enough Adderall to go around. Okay, so here's what we're going to have to do. We're going to have to go back to the drawing board. And you're probably going to have to come up with another loop that's just as good, if not better, than the original 4 bars. And for a lot of you, that's just going to mean coming up with a lot of ass. Okay, all your loops are going to sound like this. And if you're really lucky, they'll sound like this. And eventually, after coming up with ass loop upon ass loop, you're eventually going to stumble upon something actually halfway decent. And maybe, just maybe, this ass loop is enough to work well with your first 4-bar loop. Let's just take a listen. Let's just play our original 4-bar loop and see how that flows into the second ass loop. Let's just take a listen. Okay, so far so good. We've got the most amazing 4 bars. Okay, so now let's see if our second ass loop can compare. And wowzers! It actually works! It actually flows! Okay, so that's the most amazing thing I've ever heard in my entire life. And now, all of a sudden, we have enough musical material to actually sustain an entire song. Give yourself a tap on the wrist. This is amazing. Okay, so check it. If you're still struggling to come up with another ass loop, or you don't know how to make your track less boring, consider signing up for a private lesson by hitting the link in the video description below. If you're not sure if your track is boring or not, go ahead and submit it to my Discord, where it'll be roasted gleefully by many other producers. I'm Underbelly. See you soon.